Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali and today we're going to answer a common question. Does Earnin work with Cash App? And if it does, we'll show you how to connect Cash App to Earnin. While there's no direct method available, don't worry. We'll share a simple way to transfer your Earnin amount into your Cash App account. Let's dive in. First off, let's quickly understand what Earnin is. Earnin is an app that lets you access your earned wages before payday without charging any interest. Instead, you can choose to give a tip for the service. Pretty cool, right? Now, moving on to our main question. Does Earnin work with Cash App? Yes, it does. However, you'll need to follow a specific process since there isn't a direct link between the two apps. Here's how you can connect Cash App to Earnin. Step 1. Install the Earnin app on your smartphone. Step 2. Create your profile by filling in the required information. Step 3. Open the Earnin app and navigate to the settings. Step 4. In the settings, click on Add Payment Method. Step 5. Link your bank account. Make sure to enter the details of the bank account that's already connected to your Cash App. Step 6. Select the bank you want to link and press Next. Step 7. After a brief review, your account will be successfully connected. Step 8. Now enter your Cash App card details instead of your debit card details and click on Next. Step 9. Wait for a short verification process to complete. Step 10. Once verified, your Earnin account will now be connected to your Cash App, and that's it. Then, in this way, you can directly transfer the amount present in Earnin to the bank account connected to Cash App or Cash App card. If the video explanation isn't clear enough, you can check out the detailed article linked in the description. The article includes screenshots and a full step-by-step guide to help you understand the entire process easily. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this about Cash App, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.